Dear students, today we are going to solve the problems in Sketch the Signals in Unit Step Signals.
Okay. First problem is to sketch the given signal. This is the first problem. Sketch the given signal. What is the given signal? 2 into u of t plus 5. This is what given. Okay. We are going to sketch this signal. How? The first step. Okay. This is the given signal 2 into u of t plus 5. First step is to draw the general form of u of t. So we know that the general form of u of t is what? This is the signal, correct? So whenever t, this time is less than 0, its value is 0. Whenever time is greater than or equal to 0, it's having value. So this is the general diagram of u of t. That is the first step. So next step, we are going to shift the signal. That is the second step. So in this second step, we are going to, this is u of t. This u of t is shifted by plus 5. So I already told you in previous video. So in this time shifting, if there is a plus sign, it is advanced signal. Correct. Advanced signal means it should be starting from minus 5. Here plus 5 means we have to start from minus 5. So instead of from 0, we have to advance the signal by 5. Okay. So here if it is plus, we can mention the signal starts from minus 5. The same signal can be drawn like this. So now whenever the signal is greater than or equal to minus 5, at that time it's having the value of 1. So now we got time shifted signal. The third step, what is that? The amplitude is multiplied by 2. So here amplitude means what? 1. 1 is the amplitude. Here there is a value 1. That is the meaning of this. 1 into u of t is u of t, right? So this value is multiplied by 2. So now the same signal can be drawn for 2. So now we can say the signal is like this. Okay. So 2, its amplitude, its time starting from minus 5. So this is can be draw the signal. So this is the answer. Okay. So sketch the signal means we have to draw the signal step by step. First we have to draw the basic signal. If u is given mean basic signal u of t. Then the next step is we have to shift the signal. And the next step is multiply the amplitude of the signal by the given value. So this is the answer for this problem. Okay. So the second problem is sketch the given signal 2 into u of minus t plus 5. The previous problem is 2 into u of plus t plus 5, right? Here it is simply plus t. Okay. Now we are going to sketch the given signal, that is 2 into u of minus t plus 5. So we know that what is u of t first step? Okay, so here I can draw the first step. U of t is nothing but what? You can draw this like this. Okay, it's having value only from 0. That is the u of t. First we have to draw this u of t, and then next one is u of minus t. U of minus t means what? It is time reversed signal. That is the mirror image of the signal. So this u of t is reversed. So this is time. Time is this side positive, this side negative. So it is the negative signal. So here it is the time reversed signal. It is 0. So this is what? U of minus t. Okay. So the next step, u of minus t we have drawn. That is. So now we are going to draw u of minus t plus 5. In that previous problem I told plus comes means it is the advanced signal. Correct. Now the signal is time reversed. Okay. So you have to remember this very clearly. This is a time reversed signal. So it starts from 0 towards minus infinity. So for this, the advanced signal is in this side. Correct. So minus t plus 5, that means we can draw the signal from plus 5. Actually, this is the signal starts from 0 towards minus side. So advanced of the signal is nothing but this side. So u of minus t plus 5, that means we can start the signal from plus 5 itself. Okay, if it is u of t plus 5 means we have to start the signal from minus 5. Okay, but we are concentrating on the reverse signal. That is, in that case, we have to start the signal from plus 5 because this is the starting point. The starting point is advanced by 5 units. That is what? Plus 5. So, we can draw u of minus t plus 5 like this. So, the signal starts from plus 5. So, this is what? U of minus t plus 5. It's very, very important thing. Okay, whenever minus t is there, we can move the signal in this side. So next, the same. Amplitude is multiplied by 2. This is the amplitude. This y-axis is the amplitude. Here the amplitude is 1. That 1 is multiplied by 2. So now we can have the same signal 2 into. So its amplitude is 2 and u of minus t plus 5. So this is the answer. Okay. So amplitude is 2 and the signal is time reversed and it shifted by 5 units. Okay. So this is what step by. First we have to draw the general signal and then we have to take the time reversed signal and then we have to shift the signal by 5 units in advance and then we have to what? Multiply the amplitude. So this is the answer.
Next, we are going to sketch the given signal u of t minus u of t minus 3. The solution for this given problem. The first step is to draw the general form of u of t. What is the first signal? U of t. So we have to draw the u of t signal. What is the u of signal diagram? So whenever t is greater than or equal to 0, it has the value 1. So this is the u of t. Whenever this time is less than 0, there is no value. That is, it has only 0 values. This is the general diagram of u of t. So first we have to draw the u of t and next we are going to draw this u of t minus 3. So what is u of t minus 3? Correct. This is u of t minus 3. So as we already discussed in time shifting operation, whenever the minus comes, it is the positive shifting. So minus t minus 3 means what? We can draw the signal like this. So we have to start the signal from plus 3. So this is u of t minus 3. Okay. So 3 minutes it is delayed. Okay. It is the time shifted signal. Minus comes, then it is a positive shifting. So this is u of t minus 3. Correct? So the next step is we are going to find out u of t minus u of t minus 3. So we are going to subtract this signal from this one. Okay? So consider the time. T is equal to 0. Here t is equal to 1. Correct? So u of t minus u of t minus 3 means at this point till this 0 its value is 0. Till 0 its value is 0. Correct? Are you able to see this? Yes. Till 0 the amplitude value is 0. But whenever time t is equal to 0, this u of t is having the value 1. Correct? This u of t minus 3 is having the value 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. At time t is equal to 1, it has 1. So 1 minus 0. Here it is 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. Correct? So next time t is equal to 2. So here in this u of t, its value is 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. At time t is equal to 3, here its value is 1. So 1 minus, here what's the value? At time t is equal to 3. Here at this point, at time t is equal to 3, it has the value 1. This u of t minus 3 is also having the value 1. 1 minus 1, its value becomes 0. So this is the answer. Okay, after that all the values are, so 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. So this is what u of t minus u of t minus 3. Okay, so this is the answer for the given problem. Next, we are going to sketch the signal in discrete time domain. So the given signal is 3 into u of n plus 2. So this is the given signal. We are going to sketch this signal. So solution part, the first step is to draw the u of n, the general diagram of u of n. So this is the u of n. Here we are going to represent the time domain in n, not t. Discrete time domain is represented in terms of n. Okay, so u of n is nothing but it has value 1 whenever n is greater than or equal to 0. Whenever n is less than 0, its value is 0. Okay, so this is the first step. We have to draw the u of n. Okay, so the next step, we are going to draw the time shifted signal u of n plus 2. So as I told you earlier, in time shifted signal, this plus symbol represents negative shifting. Correct? So that is plus means it is advanced. So here instead of starting from 0, it starts by 2 minutes earlier. So we can shift the signal by 2 units earlier. So u of n plus 2, plus comes means we can start from the minus side. So we can draw the same signal as u of n plus 2. Okay, so it starts from minus 2. Okay, so this is what u of n plus 2 signal. So next we are going to find out the amplitude scaling, 3 into u of n plus 2. So here in this one the amplitude is 1. So now we are going to multiply that amplitude by 3. Okay, so here the amplitude becomes 3 and it is shifted 1. So the same signal but for 3 amplitude, not for 1. So the same can be drawn like this, 3 into u of n plus 2. Okay, so this amplitude is 3. So in the remaining part is 0. Okay, so this is what u of n plus 2 with amplitude 3. I have drawn 3 into u of n plus 2. Suppose the same problem for minus 3. So what will happen? If the question may be sketch the signal minus 3 u of n plus 2 means the same procedure, but here we have drawn for plus 3. So in case of the question is for minus 3 means the amplitude can be drawn in the negative side. Correct? If the amplitude is minus 3 means we have to draw the signal in the negative side. Okay. So this is what positive amplitude, this is negative amplitude, this is positive time duration, negative time duration. Okay. So this is minus 3 into u of n plus 2 can be drawn like this. So next problem is sketch the given signal u of n minus u of n plus 3. So first step is what? We have to draw the basic signal u of n. So u of n is drawn like this. Okay. The next step is to draw u of n plus 3. So u of n plus 3, plus comes means it is the negative shifting. Okay, it is the time shifted signal. Plus 3 means we have to start the signal from minus 3. So this is u of n plus 3. So what is the next step? We are going to subtract this u of n plus 3 from this u of n. So the first step is, here all the values are 0, 0, 0, both the sides. The signal starts from here. So here in this u of n, u of minus 3 value is 0. U of minus 3 here it is 1. So 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1 and n is equal to 3. Here it is 3. Okay, minus 3, the value is 0. Here it is 1. So 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so likewise, here n is equal to minus 2. At this point, the value is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So here 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. At n is equal to 0, it is 1 and here is also 1. So 1 minus 1, its value is 0. Here 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, all the values becomes 0 here. Okay, so this is the u of n minus u of n plus 3. So we can have the signal like this. One important note in this unit step signal. So time scaling operation is not applicable in step signals, that is u of at. Okay, time shifting, amplitude scaling, everything is applicable except this time scaling operation.